and what does a judge in that court do, and what makes you qualified from which to do the job. How about all that?
Perfect way to start. The Ashtabula Municipal Court is our county's busiest criminal court. And just to give you some idea of other things that the municipal court does, it first of all, it handles all the misdemeanors that occurs within its jurisdiction. And the jurisdiction of the Ashtabula Municipal Court is Ashtabula City, Ashtabula Township, Plymouth Township, and Saybrook Township. So any crime that occurs within that jurisdiction, that offender is first taken to that municipal court. If it's a felony case, a preliminary hearing is held in that court, and if the judge of that court determines there's probable cause to bind it over to Jefferson as a felony, is then sent to Jefferson to grand jury for further proceedings. If it's a misdemeanor offense, that case is entirely held and resolved in the municipal court. It's either resolved through plea negotiations where the offender enters a plea, or there's a trial. And the judge either hears the evidence because it's a trial to the court and makes a decision as to whether an offense has been committed and then provides the appropriate sentencing, or there's a jury trial and the jury decides the outcome of the facts of the offense, and then again the judge decides the appropriate sentencing. It also has a civil aspect. It is a small claims court, so any civil matter, $15,000 or less, is handled in that court, and landlord-tenant. There's eviction proceedings that are handled in that court. But that court in this county is our county's busiest criminal court, and that has a major impact in our community and the safety of our citizens. I have been practicing criminal law for the last 22 years. I understand criminal behavior and what is effective in dealing with it. For the last 17 years, I have been the head of our county's public defender's office. So I deal daily with the offenders who are part of our drug problem and are committing our criminal offenses. And I understand what is effective in dealing with their behavior and what isn't. And I see in that municipal court some changes that I believe will make that court more effective and provide the right type of accountability to make a real impact on the recidivism that we are experiencing in this community.
Thank you.